Rental payments usually don't show up on your credit report unless your landlord or a third-party rent reporting service actively sends the data to the credit bureaus. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your rent added to your credit report, which services handle it for you, and what steps you can take even if your landlord refuses to participate. First option is going through a rent reporting service. These companies act as the middle layer between you and the credit bureaus. You sign up, connect your lease or payment records, and they verify your rent history. After that, they report your monthly payments so they can appear on your credit file. Some services require landlord involvement, meaning your landlord confirms your rent amount and payment status. Others let you report rent, even if your landlord doesn't participate, as long as you can prove consistent payments through bank transfers or digital receipts. The key thing to understand is that not all rent reporting works the same way. Some services report to all 3 major credit bureaus, while others only report to 1 or 2. That matters because your credit score can look different depending on which bureau is being checked. Second option is asking your landlord or property manager directly. Many larger property management companies already have systems in place, but don't always activate rent reporting by default. You can request that they enroll your unit in a rent reporting program if they work with one. If your landlord is independent or small scale, they may still be able to register with a reporting service and submit rent payments manually or automatically each month. In some cases, they just need to opt in and verify your tenancy. Third option is indirect reporting through financial activity. Some modern rent platforms and payment apps store your rent payment history, and those records can be used by reporting services to verify consistency over time. This is useful if you've been paying digitally but nothing is showing on your credit file yet. Once your rent starts getting reported, it doesn't replace traditional credit activity like loans or credit cards. It simply adds another layer of payment history that shows consistency over time. To make this work smoothly, the practical steps are simple. Pick a rent reporting service that fits your situation. Check whether your landlord needs to be involved or not. Then make sure your payments are being tracked consistently every month, so the data stays accurate. If your goal is building credit, rent reporting works best when it's combined with other basic credit activity, so your file shows multiple types of payment behavior. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns on building credit and handling real financial systems without the confusion.